Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the default font in Photoshop. To begin, launch Photoshop and make sure no documents are open on your screen. This is a crucial first step for setting a global default. Next, navigate to the window menu at the top and select Character to open the Character panel. This panel is where we will make our adjustments for the new default typeface. Now, with the Character panel open and no documents active, you can select your desired font from the drop-down menu. Browse through your installed fonts and pick the one you wish to use as your new default. After selecting the typeface, also choose its style, like regular or bold, and set your preferred default size. These selections will apply to all new text layers. Once you have chosen your desired font, style, and size in the Character panel, simply close the panel. To ensure these changes are saved and applied system-wide within Photoshop, it is important to completely close the application. After closing, reopen Photoshop. When you create a new document or a new text layer, your chosen font should now be the automatic default. If your new default font does not appear after reopening Photoshop, try restarting your entire computer. Sometimes, system-level font caches need to be refreshed. Also, double-check that your desired fonts are correctly installed on your operating system. Always remember to fully close Photoshop after making any default setting changes to ensure they are properly saved and applied for future use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.